Good morning children. Lesson 3. More about paint. Our today's topic is undo and redo. How to rotate or flip, resize and skew a drawing. So, see the video and learn about this. Our first topic is undo and redo command. The undo and redo buttons are present on the quick access toolbar at the top left corner of the window. So here you can see here undo, this is undo command and this is redo command. The undo command is used to reverse the last action performed. So children, you can see here I have make a drawing of, I have already drawn here a mushroom picture. So the undo command perform the last action. See here, I click on undo command again and again. You can see the changes. See, you can see the changes in the undo command. And if I click on redo command, again the color will fill. You can see the changes here. So this is how undo command is used to reverse the last action. If I drawn here anything, like if I draw a circle here, then fill color. Now I click on undo command, you can see the changes. And now I click on redo command again. See here, like this, undo command is used to reverse the last action performed and redo command is used to reverse the effect of the undo command. The shortcut key of undo command is Ctrl Z. So you can click Ctrl Z also. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. And if you press Ctrl Y is the shortcut key of redo command. Continuously I am pressing Ctrl Y, Ctrl Y. You can see the changes. Like this you can use undo and redo command. Then rotate, flip a drawing. First of all I delete this. Now see, rotate and how to rotate and flip a drawing. You can use the rotate tool to change the angle of the whole or selected part of the drawing. So the steps are, select the drawing or the part of drawing. First of all we have to select this drawing, rectangular selection, and like this you have to select the entire drawing or a part of drawing. Then click the home tab. This is home tab. Then in the image group click the rotate option. In the image group click the rotate down arrow. Here down arrow of the rotate option. Then select the rotate direction. Rotate right 90 degree. See here. Again rotate right 90 degree. See the changes. If you click on rotate left 90 degree, see the changes. Then rotate 180 degree. Then flip vertical. Then flip horizontal. See the changes. Like this you can rotate the drawing or flip the drawing. Then next topic is resize a drawing. You can use the resize option to increase or decrease the size of the drawing or a part of the drawing. So for this the steps are, click the select on the home tab and then drag the pointer to the select your drawing or a part of drawing. We have already selected this drawing. Then in the image group, click the resize option here. Then the resize and skew dialog box appears. You can see this dialog box. Then select the maintain aspect ratio checkbox. Here the horizontal is 100 and vertical is 100. So you can change this. We write here 75. We want this drawing to 75 ratio. So then click on OK button. You can see the drawing is resize, means 75% decrease. It decreased its size. This is because we have selected the percentage option and type 75 in the text box. This means that we want the figure to be resized to 75% of the original. This is the reason why the mushroom is smaller in size than the original one. Like this, you can change the size. If you want to increase this mushroom size, then again click on resize. Then now this is the 100% ratio. If we want to increase, then we have to write here 200% and click OK. See here, see the changes. It is 200% increasing than the original size. Then again I want the original size, so I write here 50%. See the changes. Now our next topic is skew a drawing. The skew command is twist a drawing in the horizontal or vertical direction. For this, the steps are: click the home tab, then click the select option and drag the pointer to select the drawing. We have already selected this drawing. Then in the image group, click the resize option. Again you see this dialog box of resize and skew dialog box. Then this area is of resize option and this area is for skew. So in this horizontal and vertical checkbox, we have to change this. In the skew area, type the amount in degrees by which to skew the selected area of the drawing in the horizontal or vertical box. Then click on OK. So we can write here, if I write here 45 and then click on OK, then you can see the changes. See here, the mushroom is horizontally skewed. So like this, you can skew the drawing.